What if plastic didn't have to come from fossil fuels? What if we could grow it? I'm Dr. Kevin DeFrance, an assistant professor in chemical engineering at Queen's. In my lab, we turn biomass, cellulose, and proteins into high-performance materials, adsorbents for water treatment, additives in paints and coatings, and yes, even films for packaging. I studied at McMaster University, doing my bachelor's and PhD in chemical engineering. Then, it was across the pond to Switzerland, where I worked at EMPA, part of the Swiss government, in the cellulose and wood materials lab. And in May 2022, I came back to Canada and the DeFrance lab at Queen's was born. What's the best part of my job? Hands down, it's the students. Working with talented young researchers who want to make a difference, working together across disciplines to solve some of our biggest global challenges. I'm Kevin DeFrance. Let's engineer a greener future together.